My name is Jeff Blair. I'm one of the co-founders of a company called ICHOR Vascular, Inc., which manufactures a product. We call it Panacea. It's for a clot removal of the lower extremities. And what one does is you place a catheter into the blood clot, and you pass it through that, and you inflate a balloon on the distal side of that. And then you inflate a balloon on the other side of it, so you in effect have captured as much of the clot as you can. You fill up the vein or you fill up the artery with the balloon. So it's a fairly simple product, but effective. But we didn't understand product development so much, the whole product development cycle, if you will. There are lots of other aspects there. The design work, the design verification, all those things, and the testing that overlaps and accompanies all of that. So we needed someone who did have that relevant experience and could guide us. We came and talked to NAMSA.
Like most startups, ICHOR had a whole series of challenges that they had to overcome. They were looking for a development partner who could help them through all of them. They, like most startups, didn't have a lot of money. They needed to get to market fairly quickly. They didn't have the expertise they needed across their entire team, and therefore they were looking to fill all of those gaps with one provider because they also didn't have the management capacity to manage a whole bunch of different providers. So they were really looking for somebody who could put that whole package together for them. NAMSA's MRO program is a unique service offering that allows our clients to go from early product concept all the way through post-approval clinical studies. In the conduct of these MRO programs, we actually help them through regulatory, preclinical, clinical, quality systems development, etc.
And NAMSA eliminated all the fear of the unknown. They accompanied us to visit the FDA, go over all of the testing protocols and the regulatory approvals that we wanted to accomplish, and take all the mystery out of that. And it allowed us to spend more time then on fundraising, communicating with our investors, looking for new investors. You know, the typical medical device company takes at least 5 years to get to market, sometimes much longer. We accomplished that in around 3, so about a 2-year savings in terms of getting the FDA clearance. Translate that to money, the average 510K may run $25–30 million. Our expenses, based on the way we organized the business and the partners we had at NAMSA and otherwise, helped us get there so much faster that we spent less than $5 million. So there's a $25 million savings that we think that can be passed on to the investors. There isn't any doubt that NAMSA has been an integral partner, if you will, in our development process. As we encountered issues, and every startup does encounter issues, they were part of the decision process to how to deal with it and resolve it, and to our mutual satisfaction. Having that experience from NAMSA rather than us tripping into issues on our own and then having increased costs as a result of trying to wrestle with them. I think NAMSA will continue to be a partner for us for quite some time.